Welcome. Let's learn how to install the Eclipse IDE that will allow us to program with Java. We're going to go to eclipse.org/downloads, and then we're going to go down to the download x86_64 button, and we'll click that. Wait a few moments. And after a few moments, this second download button pops up, and you're going to click that one. We'll go ahead and click on that, and we'll wait for the .exe file to finish installing. All right, now that it's done, we're going to click on it, and it will run an installer, as you can see here. Once this installer is done, we're going to click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Take note of where this is installing because it does not go into program files. And we'll click install, and we'll wait for that to finish. And then now that it's done, we'll click launch. You can use any workspace. We're just going to use the default one. And it has been successfully pulled up. You can quickly test it if you'd like. A little hello world action. All right, and we made a quick hello world script. It printed out hello world, so this is ready to use. All right, you're now ready for Java. Make sure to check out my videos if you want to learn more about it. Click on any of them and learn something. You are now a Java developer. You can take on the world!